Hi there, welcome to Grandma Auctions for the 4th of November. Hey, we won the rugby. Don't tell my father that because he's English. Oh well. Look, accordions, plus we have some nice New Zealand pottery, plus we have Cornish ware, which is always handy, plus some Aladdin vases. I think they're called Aladdin vases. We also have some New Zealand pottery that is sort of scattered about the place. A little vintage wicker chair, some a leather case, some giant fish, and some vintage canisters that go for a lot of money, possibly. This moose head, or a deer head, or something that used to be alive. Anyway, here is a tin bath and a little canister. Look, some taxidermy here. There actually is a hare. That's a hare there. That's a rabbit. That's a hare. There. Aw, poor hare. There is that New Zealand pottery I was talking about, plus we've got some good pieces of old furniture, and that's a little camel store. It may not be a camel store, I think it should be a camel store. And what else? Look, cool little binoculars. This is a really interesting collection of little whatnot, like a great big pair of shearing scissors and some old locks, and going into a vase and a nice little lamp there, plus another little stool. Don't have to put it on a camel though, this one. I have no idea what this is. I think you put snacks in it, but it's pretty fancy. And a nice bit of period history, their little paper there. Look at this weird thing, don't know what that is. More vases and a cookie jar. Yummy, makes me hungry. An egg. We have this cute little collection of crystals, plus a very nice watercolour. Awesome little chairs there. Look at that lovely piece of art glass. We've got some Zen figures, and last but not least we have this beautiful little border here. Hey, thanks